Today we're at Lauren's house. That sounds funny. That we're at Lauren's house. Doing some final finishing touches. Hanging some last minute deals. She's at school right now. But we're gonna hang this stuff and then give you the tour. She got a little balcony out here. We got her some furniture for, which is pretty cool. It's not really like her own personal balcony. She shares with the neighbor, but it's not terrible. You see these containers and dumpsters and stuff. That's just because they're doing some renovation out here in the apartment complex. And as soon as they get done with that, you know, she won't have the container and the dumpster right there in her view anymore, so that'll be gone. Cool little porch area. Oh, little matching pillows and the rug. A little ottoman here. It's got the little thing flips up there. It's got a little serve top there. That's cool. Oh, it's all bright and happy. It's like a freaking movie theater in here, man, and you're sitting there watching the TV. Yeah. And it curves, so it like wraps around you. Yeah. So that's cool. And it's got the surround sound speaker right there. The only thing that really looks unfinished is this wall over here, because it's got the outline frames, but nothing in the middle, right there. That's because Lauren's gonna wait until after graduation. She's gonna take a bunch of pictures with her friends, and then we already got the frames and stuff, but she's gonna put like a collage of pictures up here, you know, of her and her friends and stuff like that. It's kind of why that wall is still a little bit bare. Into the kitchen. You already saw in the previous video all the new granite countertops, fixtures, cabinets, and all new appliances, which is really cool. And some of the little trinkets and wall decor and things like that from our house made it over to Lauren's place. That's cool. She even got our little night lights. They used to be in our hallways. Matches all of her stuff, so that's cool. How you doing? Good. And you come around here and head into a couple of other little homey things. You come around here and go into the bedroom, which is a decent amount of space. I mean, she fits the king bed in here pretty well. And then she's got the dresser with the TV, and dresser over here. Some of our wall decor from our house also, and then some of the stuff that she brought from her room at home here to kind of make her feel like she's more at home. And then her bathroom, which again has the brand new granite and fixtures and cabinets and all that cool stuff. And then we got that for her to go over her toilet, because it didn't have like a medicine cabinet in here or anything. It was just kind of all under the cabinet stuff, or under the sink stuff. So, and then we got a little personalized towels, L and W. That's pretty cool. And so that's it. Pretty cozy.
Yes.
And we're done.
Yes. Pretty much. Yeah. She just needs her clothes.
Yeah, so she can get out. get your stuff and get out.
Chop, chop.
Now look, I want to clear some things up. We ain't paying for this. So I know some of y'all watching going, man, they hooking her up. We ain't paying for this. No, she didn't get a scholarship either. It's Army stuff.
Courtesy
So,
of the Army.
I had the post 9/11 Montgomery GI Bill, and I used my regular GI Bill because I joined in 1996. So I used my regular Montgomery GI Bill to go to college for myself. So that's how I got my 2 degrees when I was in the Army. And then so I had the post 9/11 GI Bill, which at one of the times I re-enlisted, I was able to transfer over to dependents. And you can transfer it to spouse or kids or whatever. So Leslie wasn't going back to school. So we transferred it over to Lauren, and now she's going to be able to go to school. It's going to pay for her tuition. It pays her a monthly amount for housing. So that's kind of where we made the budget.
Yeah.
Based off of, we wanted it to be able to cover her rent and her utilities. And maybe a couple little extra bucks. Not too much. I mean,
No,
we went with the nicer
higher
one. So she won't have much left over. She'll probably have to get like a little part-time job for some extra side money and stuff like that. But I mean, her car's paid for, and now the Army's paying for her tuition and pay for her boarding, her rent, and then she gets a book stipend, monthly, yearly. So I think they're like $1,000 a year for books. So so don't get it all twisted. we ain't like rolling in the money like, hey, we'll pay your rent and send you to school.
Yeah.
No, we ain't got that kind of money. So if we didn't have that, thank God for the GI Bill, because if we didn't have that, she'd be maybe joining the Army. Because I don't know, we ain't got that kind of money. So it's good.
Student loans, should have had loans.
Yeah. So I mean, the Army's a good deal. 20 years was a good deal. I mean, for what we got out of it, just the benefit of her going to school, and she's still considered a dependent while she's a full-time student, so she can still have medical care under my retirement benefits. So until she gets graduated, she really don't have to figure that out either. She can go to the doctor, prescriptions, all that stuff is covered. So she's kind of all set.
Yeah.
And like, the only way that it won't work is if she gets bad grades. If she gets bad grades, you got to pay for it out of pocket. And I'm not going to do that too often.
No.
So, she gets a bad grade and I get a bill, she might get an eviction notice.
Yeah. I will serve her.
But that's it. I think she's all set.
Yeah.
I think she's already been staying weekends out here and stuff. So she's gonna graduate on May 23rd, and then she'll move out here. She's actually moved out here full time before that, because I think the seniors stopped going to school a little bit before that.
Yeah. 2
And
weeks.
she'll come hang out here, and then we close on the house on 20th of May, and the 21st we're gonna move the RV. It's about 10 minutes down the road from here, from her apartment. That's where we'll be staying at until she starts school. We'll get settled in for a couple weeks, and we make sure that the GI Bill is actually paying all her bills and everything's set up properly, and then we'll be on the road in September.
Yeah.
Can't wait. So Leslie has put together a book for our lovely daughter. What's it called?
Adulting 101.
It says,
because adulting is hard.
that's right. It says on there, lessons for life because adulting is hard. And it's got, man, Leslie did a lot of research and kind of looked up stuff on the computer, and then put this book together. What's all it got in it?
It's got, I could have done a book twice this size, really, but it would just overwhelm her. So stuck to the core important things. So first section is on cleaning. And then not just, like, how to clean. That's like, you don't need a manual for that so much, but this will tell her what cleaners are good on what surfaces so she doesn't damage things. Because she would. So you gotta understand that stuff.
We got cleaning, then what?
There is laundry.
Oh, laundry. That sounds like fun.
Step by step.
Oh my gosh.
Barney style. I'm gonna walk you through it.
Now you guys probably noticed that she didn't have hookups in here. So there's a laundry facility she'll have to go to
We'll
do her
teach
laundry.
her how to use those machines.
Yeah. All right, what's next?
Cooking.
Cooking.
Cooking was hard to
Boil water.
Yeah.
Insert ramen.
But it's got conversions for her. Next section is finances and budgeting. She's gonna have to learn to live on a budget.
Yeah.
So, how to budget while in college. Maximize your money. Next section, legal. Gotta know the law.
Hey, step one, don't waste your one phone call on us.
That's right. We'll let you stay there. You can see the judge. Then we got just miscellaneous tips and know-hows.
Okay.
So there's life skills college students need to master. Because school doesn't have a life skills class, and they should. They really just should.
Well, step one is like she'll have to actually read it because the information isn't just going to jump into her brain, even though that's she would prefer.
But if she calls and say, I need help figuring this out, say, did you Google? Ask you know who? Did you look in your book? If you haven't done those things, I'm going to hang up on you. Just call me when
She's talking about the Amazon Echo. She don't want to say the name
Yeah.
because it'll turn her on.
But if you haven't attempted on your own, I'm going to click.
Call me back when you
Yeah.
when you
You
researched
got to
it.
try to be self-sufficient first.
Yeah.
Then if none of those help you, which I can't imagine how they couldn't, but if they don't, then you call me.
There you go. Adulting 101.
Yes.
All right, y'all. That was the apartment. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. Did you?